Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the SIP credentials and checking the network. This is essential. Enter the SIP username, password, and SIP server immediately. Make sure your device has 3 Mbps up and down for call stability, and connect to the LAN rather than public Wi-Fi if possible. Once done, verify router or firewall rules. Open 5060 UDP and an RTP range of 10,000 to 20,000 UDP. This prevents one-way audio and dropped calls. Do not skip NAT/port mapping checks. You now configure the Eyebeam SIP account step by step. Open accounts, click Add, and paste the SIP server, user ID, and password. Choose UDP unless your provider requires TCP or TLS. Then enable NAT traversal, enter a stun server, or enable ICE. This ensures correct external IP handling. Next, select codecs. Prioritize Opus or G711 for clarity, and limit the list to 3 to reduce negotiation delays. Finally, bind the account to the correct local interface. You finish by performing targeted tests and a single key troubleshooting step. Place an internal test call to a known working extension. Verify both send and receive audio. If audio is missing or calls drop, immediately recheck RTP port forwarding and toggle stun. Sometimes off fixes NAT issues. Reboot your router and Eyebeam after changes. If problems persist, enable debug logging in Eyebeam and capture a SIP trace. Then share that with your provider so they can pinpoint registration or media failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.